In.
Cat's got out.
You nearly got out.
Yeah, I saw that. Either way.
Try. Wow. Talk about glued on.
Yeah, sometimes they really stick them on, don't they?
Straight away.
Wow.
High speed things. Let's put some smoke on that. We'll put some cream on it, bear with me.
Could have been a wasp. Was there a sting in it?
Yeah, there was a
Oh,
sting.
that's
Take
big.
it out. I'm going to pull a couple of these frames because you seem rather. I want to see how heavy it is. I'm not going to pull all the frames.
Yeah, pretty full. And if they're full out to the edges, the centre are probably pretty full as well.
Come on, ladies. This is heavy.
Yeah.
Yeah, the next one, I can see it already. It was empty.
Yeah. The one behind it's full though. The plastic again. Seems to be going off the plastic. Oh, you
no,
got it on that
some
side.
material on
Yeah,
it,
yeah, yeah.
Got some material on it.
Well done.
So they are using it.
Yeah. Didn't use it on mine for some weird reason. Are they using the black plastic?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah. All these mature frames. I'd say that's full. It's heavy. That's capped. That one's capped. I'll put that one in there in a minute.
Oh, that's a plastic one as well, isn't
That's
it?
capped.
Yeah.
That's capped. That one is. And the other one is.
And they're all fairly full.
So they're all fairly
That's going to be
full.
pretty heavy then.
Yeah, that's why it's heavy. This wasp here.
Yeah, he'll get. If he goes inside, he'll get killed.
Right. Okay, I've got some extra foam. Oh my god. Come on, ladies. Out the way.
Hi, Mogs. Do you want to go in?
Oh, look how white that smoke's gone now. She went right past. Right there. Look how white that smoke has gone. The wood stuff in the middle is working now. The wood in the middle of the burner is going now.
As you can see, plenty of bits of wax built up on top of the frames where they're doing bridging comb between the two
Okay,
boxes.
let's take this end one out. Oh, look at that.
Yeah,
The end one has got food on it.
yeah.
Next one in. Yeah. Food is being drawn out. This is heavy. 2 sides full. Get off. Next one. She started drawing that one out. That's plastic foundation.
Yeah, that's good. And
that's
again
got,
on that side, it's got some covered as well.
Got some covered on it as well, so that's working well. And here we go. Plenty more. It's being drawn out. I wonder if that's because we've been feeding them sugar juice.
Yeah, you have, haven't you?
So look at that. That's
yeah,
lovely.
that is solid.
Honey.
Yeah.
Pure honey. That's their winter feed in spades. That's better than you get at Morrison's, that. So look at this one. This is a new frame this year. This is plastic, and this is absolutely heavy as anything. That is really going on well. There's another plastic, and as you can see, it is solid. It is full. So yes, they do work on the plastics. Although it might sound glued to the bottom, so I've left some chrome behind, as you can see.
You can see the smoke is going in front of the camera. It's alright.
Solid, look, see? Solid.
Yeah, totally.
I don't know if you can get your camera into the slot, but there's there's load on the bottom, so that's going to be a nightmare when I pick it up.
Okay.
Very light. Looks like it's had brood in it at some time or another.
Yeah, it's got stuff on that side.
It's got some food, but it's an ex-brood. This is very light. They're just storing now.
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll put that one in there. So this is going to be a heavy one to lift off. And I'm going to.
Do you want some stuff, Kes, before you lift it?
I'm going to just crack it first. And then I'll do that.
Came right into my face, he did, that wasp. A little shit.
I've just killed a couple of bees, unfortunately.
Oh, that happens. Me too, I did it.
Okay, time to lift off. And move over.
Come on, you.
Okay.
Again?
2. Yeah.
What, 2 got you? Were they on the thing, on the smoker, when you picked it up?
I don't know.
No, because you picked it up with your right hand, didn't you?
Getting a fair share today.
Yeah. See, you've got some stuff on the top of that.
Yeah. It's going to come off in a minute.
Okay.
I'm just breaking the seal so I can pick it off.
Yeah.
Without causing mayhem. There you go, girls. Now I've only got one brood box on there.
Yep.
So the queen will be, and I'm guessing she's going to be in one of these ones at the end.
Possible.
That's where she normally seems to find. Yeah. She likes that end of the box.
It's there quite happily.
Yeah, that's why I put that big heavy base on it. It's a very, very light frame. This one's just full of bees.
Any eggs?
If there is, I can't see them. Yeah, there's bees. No queen or anything. Oh, we've got a dance going on though. Just in the middle there, we've got a dance going on.
Oh, no, wiggle it.
Yeah. So you can obviously hear the music that we can't.
Cool food music.
Eh?
Food music.
Yeah.
Go away.
And as you can see on that one, can you see that? Can you see that? That was a
Yeah, it was a super
super that's now being used as a
full size.
Okay, here we go. Let's look for that queen. We're looking for wings. We're looking for defects. We're looking for frizzy bees. Partially drawn out. They've got some food store in there because they're eating.
Your bees are very in your face.
I'm not seeing any eggs. But hey ho. We will. Hey, come on. Out of it. Hiding underneath the bloody frame so that when I pick it up,
yeah, you get it on your fingers.
I get them on my fingers. This is heavier. Got brood in the centre. Got food. Brood in the centre. No sign of the queen. Okay, it's spinning around. Have a look at the B side. Got brood in the middle. Got a freaking big drone there.
Any eggs?
Not that I can see. I got some curly pearlies, but not big ones.
Good. As long as you got, well, as long as they're not big ones.
Yeah.
That's fairly recent they were made.
There's one here trying to get underneath the end. No, there's one there and there's one there.
Let's give them a smoke.
Hiding underneath the edge.
Smoke the edges. Yeah, I wouldn't do the outside bit.
Full of brood.
Yep.
They've got some honey around the edges. Honey there. Got brood in the middle. There's the queen. She's massive. She's the size of a German tanker. There she is with
look
the
at
red
her.
dot.
Yeah, hey, do you want to?
Red dot there. There she is. Make sure you can see her. Don't get too close, it'll go out of focus. Okay, right, let me put her back in. Beautiful. Lovely to see the queen. There's a wasp. A bit of a headache. Okay. We've seen the queen.
Yep.
I've got brood.
A couple of drone.
I've got eggs.
And you've got drone. Couple of drone cells there. Couple of drone cells.
That's me though. They're not 5%. That's for sure. I know the queen's not on here.
I'll go down again. Hey?
Curly pearlies. They're about 4 days old. They're getting quite large. More curly pearlies.
Nice weight in it. You can see the Mexican, the remains of the
you
Mexican.
can see the shape.
Yeah, the Mexican.
That's a good frame. So I'm not going to shake any more frames off. I'm looking now for any signs of
leaving.
discord.
Don't think you've got any.
Smoke that one, so that looks hold that one there. Come on babies.
Looks okay.
Yes, he's fine.
Yeah, no play cups.
Yeah.
It's like mine. There's been no play cups. We seem to have a couple of good queens.
I got a load of drones on this one.
Yeah, I can see that. Not that many though.
Lots
You've got some at the bottom, I see. Yeah.
Lots of life there though. Look at that.
Yeah. You've got drones. You've got workers.
Yeah, I've got well-shaped curly pearlies down here.
Yeah.
Well-shaped. So there's plenty of emerging life there. Lots of emerging life in the middle.
Ah, that's good.
I've got no problems there. Oh, don't you dare. It's done me twice today.
3 times. You've got a one and a double. Did you for the double?
Well, I thought the queen would be on these last two, but she was right in the middle this time.
Yeah.
And that's pleasant.
Well, remember the weather's a bit cooler now, isn't it?
Yeah.
She might have been towards the front before because
that's where the draft
that's
was.
where the draft was. Yeah. So I noticed mine was like there
Plenty
during the
of
hot
life
weather.
there.
Yeah, I can see that. You got
Plenty
plenty.
of life.
Yeah.
No sign of any untoward.
No.
Happy.
Got a good load of bees as well. That should get you through the winter all right. Yeah?
Yeah.
There you go, Moggs. I'm going to just put that there because she's just gone.
Hey, Moggs. Very, very light frame. It's an empty frame, really. They're just hanging out on it. So this could very well be a transfer frame. It's not really a problem. Lives near the front door.
Okay, she's back in. Door shut.
And then frame number 1.
Airlock shut.
Yeah. Frame number 1.
Lost frame.
Well, stuck in there. Get out of the way.
Give a bit of propolis.
Yeah.
Use your smoker. It's on the edges as well. Oh, okay.
Just on the edges. Again, transfer frame. There's nothing really to see on there. It's where the bees come in, drop the stuff off, gets picked up, gets taken elsewhere.
Oh, it just dropped off the bottom.
Yeah.
And there's plenty in the box as well.
So now we're going to push these all back.
Yep.
Seems to get upset.
Do them in twos, kids. 2 or 3s.
Yeah.
It's easier. Crispy, isn't it?
Not big enough that one yet.
Trying to have another go at you, are they?
Yeah, I try to pick them up and squeeze them at the same time. There's a wasp around here trying to get in.
Let them get in, they'll kill him. I'll push it.
Alright, no, it's alright. You can go.
Help you.
Hands on there.
Okay.
You're the camera person for the moment.
Okie dokie. I'm sure they enjoyed that. Oh, who just dropped us? So it's just getting around back on your bees. Since you're strung up. Ooh, they're watch it walking around now. They're pouring off the back, falling on the floor.
I'm going to keep the queen at food run for another week or two yet.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
That's fair enough. Do what you wish to.
Because she's still got plenty of life downstairs. There's plenty of access to food downstairs.
Yeah.
And yeah, she seems alright. Look at that wasp.
That's alright. You'll end up dead.
Come on, crowd, go home. And up.
That's nice. Don't hear any cracking at all there. No bees got killed.
Sometimes, no matter how hard you try, you still get the odd 1 or 2 shots.
Yeah, you do. I had a couple earlier on when I did mine.
Them these girls down. Okay, here we go.
Already starting to stick, ain't it?
This is heavy.
Yeah. A lot of stores in there.
Yeah, there's a lot of stores in there. I don't know if you can hear the roar.
Yeah, I can hear it. And here on the feeding board, the ones that have dropped out of the super boxes.
Okay, I'm going to tap these into the hive. I've stuck it down already. Here we go.
So you get them back there. Come on, off the lens, please, off the back.
Okay, got the feeder.
You putting any in it today?
Yeah, I'll put it up in the laser.
You're not going to use fondant yet then?
Not yet.
Okay. Put the fondant back in the box.
I'll leave that as it is. I'm going to make some food for them.
Okay.
Where's the top ring?